Welcome to Zero Rogers Island, also known as Jan Kamas Island, which has been a prominent landmark in Long Island Sound since the turn of the century. Just off the Branford, Connecticut coastline, this idyllic retreat is 75 miles from New York City and 19 miles from the Hamptons across the Sound. Spanning 7.65 acres, the island's been transformed into a stunning garden paradise by its previous owner. If you'd like to schedule a tour of this beautiful home, please reach out to me by my contact information below, or click the calendar link and put yourself on my schedule for a call. More details about this property are located in the description. Perched on a knoll, the circa 1902 Tudor home has been meticulously restored and updated, boasting 13,100 square feet of living space with 18 spacious rooms, each offering water views, 10 bedrooms, and over 5 bathrooms. The island features a detached 4-bedroom guest house, an art studio, and an in-ground pool with a fully equipped pool house, a tennis court, a putting green, rolling lawns, and koi pond, waterfall, 2 docks, 3 beaches, and a greenhouse. Unlike typical Tudors, this home is bright and airy, with natural light streaming through nearly every window. The home features high ceilings, a welcoming entry foyer, and an eat-in country kitchen with commercial-grade appliances, granite countertops, and a butler's pantry, a breakfast nook, and an outdoor patio. The grand dining room with a fireplace, raised paneling, and French doors lead to the patio. The great room also features a fireplace and French doors to the patio. The Grand Master Suite, measuring 40 by 25, includes a fireplace, a sitting area, and French doors to the outdoor balcony. The master bath offers a soaking tub and a separate shower. The other 9 bedrooms are generously sized with beautiful views. Additionally, there's a yoga exercise room, a spacious office, and a separate stairwell to staff. The property includes central air, a whole house generator, and year-round heating, with room for a helipad. Now sit back and enjoy the view of this beautiful property.